This video demonstrates the E90 series non-isolated serial version radio transparent transmission tutorial. The materials prepared are as follows. All required software can be found on the Ebyte official product center. Search for the corresponding model's download page to get them. Connect the two E90-DTU 400 cell 22 modules to USB to 485 adapter. Note that the 485 connection must follow a to A and B to B. Connect the E90-DTU 400 cell 22 to the power supply. Connect the USB to 485 adapters to the computer's USB ports. Connection completed. Set the MO and M1 dip switches on the side of the E90-DTU 400 cell 22 module. Set them to the configuration mode as shown in the video. On the computer, open the RF setting E20-E9X software. Select the corresponding serial port and open it. Click Read Parameters to read the DTU's default parameters. Change the module address here to 1 and click Write Parameters. Perform the same operation on the other module. Keep the other parameters at default. Set all MO and M1 dip switches to on as shown in the video. Switch to the computer and open the XCOM software. Select the corresponding serial port, baud rate 9600, stop bit 1, data bit 8, parity none. Then open the serial port. Send a data test. You can see that data is successfully sent and received.